Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the list of apps, which is right here. Then tap on see all 43 apps, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're using frequently, and remove cache. So let me pick maybe clock, then go to storage and cache. And here, as you can see, we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and they are occupying a memory. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on clear cache. Your device will immediately remove it, and thanks to it you can release some memory. And as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache. After that, after this whole operation, I highly recommend to simply reset your device to kind of confirm all of the changes. So simply press the power button, which is right here. Press it long enough until you'll see this this menu, and just simply tap on restart, and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.